Are you at a crossroad in your real estate business?
Commercial industrial properties are highly complex due to its non-standard nature, with many variations in authority approval and contracts.
From the class, we have learned how to serve our shophouse investors better by using the shophouse buyer checklist. Today, we have closed a total of 8 shophouses, and we are confident we can go for more.
Is your sale result unstable? Ball!
I'm a new agent. Being a new agent, I have lots of fear in me. This course has enabled me to do a lot of things the first time, including Facebook Live selling. I have actually sold 5 factories in the last 4 months.
Yes, you have done well in the residential property. Have you thought about going to the next level?
I chose to attend their courses is because they are practitioner Kung Fu masters. They are tested and proven with the updated policies. And they also help to guide us with a step-by-step guidelines. And I have actually matched over 15 transactions, especially in the F&B industries.
HDB, condo, landed, or new launches. What are your other good choices?
In our fast-moving industry, I often get attracted by so many courses out there available. The highlight is that I get to know many friends, I got reconnected, and what's most important is that I get to close a few new launch shops after the course.
Yes, we are referring to you. We are going to conduct our next commercial and industrial course with the 3 main objectives. 1. Complement residential agent with commercial and industrial property asset progression. 2. Raising the competency of commercial and industrial agent. Lastly, form a communities of cooperative agent to close more deals.
Over 7 days, we will impact you with skill sets on shop house, offices, and factories, which include
balanced property portfolio, which integrate residential with commercial industrial properties for a well-balanced performance. Compliance matter, which include URA plans and approval with the relevant authorities. We will cover legal matters like GST and purchasers' manner of holding. There will be a 28-point checklist where you will be confident to act like an experienced agent even if you are taking your first listing. We will show you the 10 common mistakes to avoid at all costs before it becomes your cost. Listing will be provided for immediate result. After all, we believe we teach you how to fish, we will give you the fish.
We have over 50 years of combined practical experience and transacted over $1 billion worth of commercial and industrial properties. We are also featured in many prominent papers and portals. We walk the talk with 9 investment properties. We are so proud to have more than 2,000 students. Many have become top producers.
3 of us are confident our next class will bring you up to the next level.
sign up through the link below or contact us right now.